Cultivation of mind should be the ultimate aim of human existence. Respected dignitaries and honorable guests, today I, Mahalakshmi CG of Karnataka Public School Koteshwara, from the land of Karnataka where rich culture, history and nature comes together beautifully, stand before you with immense pride and respect to speak about a man who was not just a leader but a revolution himself, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. Ambedkar is a titan who did not merely witness history but carved it with courage, intellect, and an unbreakable spirit. From the dust of discrimination, he rose like a blazing sun, illuminating the path of equality, dignity, and human rights for generations to come. Born in 1891 in a society deeply divided by caste, young Ambedkar faced humiliation and discrimination at every step. Education, which should have been his right, became a painful reminder of inequality. But here lies the true greatness of Dr. Ambedkar. These incidents didn't break him, they built him instead. Every insult and rejection became his strength and motivation. He once said, "Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world," and he truly lived these words. Despite countless obstacles, he rose to become one of the most educated Indians of his time, studying at prestigious institutions like Columbia University and the London School of Economics. As the chairman of the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution, Dr. Ambedkar ensured that justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity were not just words, but guiding principles of our nation. Baba Saheb dreamt of an India where every citizen, regardless of caste, creed, or gender, could live with dignity. Baba Saheb was not only the architect of our constitution, but also the conscience of our entire nation. Today, as we remember Baba Saheb, let us not reduce his legacy to mere words or celebrations. Let us ignite ourselves not as silent spectators, but as torchbearers of his dreams. Let us join hands to build an India where every voice is heard and where equality is not just a promise, but a living truth. Because history will not remember what we said today. It will remember what we chose to stand for. Jai Hind, thank you.